Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is unit number 14, basic principle of what here organic chemistry. It is a 11 unit of this. What here the basic principle of chemistry is unit number 14. ठीक है, ये जो आपका सेकंड पार्ट का 11 क्लास में जो सिलेबस है बेटा, इसमें यूनिट नंबर 14 है, जिसका नेम क्या है, बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. उसमें कुछ टॉपिक बाकी हम देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो टॉपिक हमने यस्टरडे फिनिश किया था. वाट how to write the name of a organic compound called as a common name as well as IUPAC name. So we take the example how to write the common name of straight chain hydrocarbon and its IUPAC name. Today we started here how to write the IUPAC name of the branch chain hydrocarbon or branch chain saturated hydrocarbon. Especially the branch chain saturated means what here? The word saturated means a compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond. So any compound which contain a carbon-carbon single bond is called as alkane. So we started here how to write the IUPAC name of branch chain saturated hydrocarbon. This is also called as what here? Alkane. What here beta? Alkane. Why alkane? Because alkane is a example of what here? Saturated hydrocarbon. What is the definition of this concept? The saturated hydrocarbon is defined as the compound in which a carbon-carbon single bond is present called as a saturated hydrocarbon. So this is example of what here? Alkane. So how to write the IUPAC name of branch chain hydrocarbon or alkane? So how to write the IUPAC name? Before that IUPAC name we take here which group is present in the what here branch chain hydrocarbon or branch chain alkane. So here the alkyl group, what here beta? So in a branch chain the branch R will be act as in the form of what here? Alkyl group. Okay, so what is the alkyl group here? Before to write the IUPAC name of the any branch chain hydrocarbon alkane, so we first memorize that what is the alkyl group. So what is alkyl group? Alkyl group is defined as those group which is prepared by when replacement of one atom or hydrogen atom from the member of a alkane called as a alkyl group. Clear beta? In the alkyl group the replacement of alkane ANE by YN. For example देखो बेटा, for example CH4. What here? CH4 is a member of alkane. What is the name of CH4? So CH4 have the name methane. What here beta? Methane. When we convert the methane into the what here? Any group. So when we convert the especially alkane into alkyl, so this alkane ANE is replaced by alkyl what here? YL. So it means how to convert the alkane into alkyl or methane into methyl. Clear? Because this CH4 means methane is a member of alkane. When one H replace, here minus H replace, यहाँ से अगर H loss किया तो remaining क्या बचेगा बेटा? Here remaining CH3 single bond CH3. It means loss of one H. So if we convert the alkane into alkyne, so same here methane ANE replaced by YL. What called is called as? So the compound is called what here? Methyl. What here? Methyl. It means when we convert the methane into methyl or alkane into alkyl, we replace any one atom of the alkane. It may be hydrogen atom, it may be carbon atom, depend upon the compound. So when we replace one H from the methane, this compound CH4R change into CH3. So the CH4 called as methane, where CH3 called what here? Methyl or methyl. So it is called as the methyl group. So in the branch chain hydrocarbon or in the how to write the IUPAC name of branch chain hydrocarbon. So branch have two types. It means the alkyl group have two types. First called as what here? Straight chain alkyl group, and second is called as branch chain alkyl group. Clear? So what is the straight chain alkyl group? So we take here what is the straight chain alkyl group? This. And second, what is the branch chain alkyl group? So the straight chain alkyl group is defined as those alkyl group which is obtained by when we remove a hydrogen atom from the terminal or last side atom of a carbon called as the straight chain alkyl group. For example देखो बेटा यहाँ पर, for example बेटा example ये CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. How the straight chain alkyl group is obtained? It means the alkyl group, what is alkyl group? The R is the symbol of alkyl group. What here? R is called what here? Alkyl group. R may be depend upon the number of carbon. Clear? It means the alkyl group is stand for what here? R. R is a what here? General formula of the alkyl group. Clear है बेटा? So this alkyl group is obtained when replacement of one atom, it may be hydrogen or carbon from the alkane, it convert into what? Alkane into alkyl or methane into methyl. Depend upon the carbon. One carbon called methane. This methane are changed into methyl. Ethane, two carbon, ethane change to ethyl. Propane, propyl, pentane, pentyl. So the alkyl group also have two types. क्लियर है बेटा? यानी अगर हमने अल्केन में से एक H रिप्लेस किया या एक कार्बन रिप्लेस किया, जो भी रिप्लेस कर गया, तो वहाँ पे जो कंपाउंड बनेगा, स्पेशली अगर यहाँ से H लॉस किया, एनी कंपाउंड ऑफ द और एनी मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन में से अगर लॉस किया, तो वो जो कंपाउंड बनेगा वो क्या बनेगा? डिपेंड अपॉन द कार्बन. मिथिन, मिथेन, मिथाइल, इथेन, इथाइल, प्रोपेन, प्रोपाइल, एंड द सिंबल ऑफ द अल्किल ग्रुप व्हाट हियर? आर. क्लियर? अल्किल मीन्स व्हाट हियर बेटा? अल्किल मीन्स सफिक्स वायल. It is alkyl, methyl, alkyl. So methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl up to decyl is a member of alkyl, where the methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane is a member of what here? Alkane. So we change the alkane into alkyl. We replace a 1H from the any member of the alkane. So this alkane are changed into alkyl or depend upon the carbon. One carbon methane are changed into methyl. So this R indicate the alkyl group. It may be R indicate the general what here? R means alkyl group. If the two R, it is called dialkyl. 3 R called as trialkyl. Depend upon the atom. 1 R monoalkyl, 2 R dialkyl, 3 R trialkyl group or alkyl group. ठीक है बेटा? So the alkyl group also have three what here? The alkyl group have two types. First, straight chain alkyl group. First, straight chain alkyl group. Second, branch chain alkyl group. Clear? First what here? Straight chain alkyl group. Second, branch chain alkyl group. This branch chain alkyl group also have also have what? This branch chain alkyl group is also called as side chain alkyl group. ठीक है बेटा? तो पहले देखिए what is straight chain alkyl group here? So what is the straight chain alkyl group? So the straight chain alkyl group is defined as those alkyl group which is obtained by when a replacement of hydrogen atom from the what here? From the non-terminal side or middle side of any element, it is called as the what? Sorry, the straight chain alkyl group is obtained when the replacement of hydrogen atom from the terminal side of any carbon or last carbon. यानी कहने का मतलब, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो यहाँ पे CH3, CH2, CH3. हाउ मेनी कार्बन? 3 कार्बन. सो द मेंबर ऑफ 3 कार्बन व्हाट हियर? इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोपेन. हाउ मेनी कार्बन? 3 कार्बन. व्हेन वी चेंज अ प्रोपेन, सो प्रोपेन आर चेंज इनटू विच ग्रुप ऑफ द अल्काइल? प्रोपाइल. मिथेन, methyl. So propane, propyl. How this change? So the replacement of 1H means hydrogen atom from the terminal side. This is called as the what here? This last carbon is called as the terminal side. What here beta? Terminal side. It is also what here? TS. TS called what short form? TS called as terminal side. So how the straight chain alkyl group is obtained or prepared? So the straight chain alkyl group is prepared when the replacement or remove both are same, replacement or remove of H. H means hydrogen atom from the terminal carbon. So the compound is formed called as what here? Straight chain alkyl group. क्लियर बेटा? देखो यहाँ पर अगर यहाँ से एक H लॉस किया, ठीक है, यहाँ से अगर एक H लॉस किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? हाउ मेनी कार्बन वी गेट रिमेनिंग हियर? CH3, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2. सो 1H इज लॉस. अगर यहाँ से लॉस किया और क्या होगा बेटा? यहाँ से अगर H लॉस किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3. Both are same. So how many carbon in there? It is contain of 3 carbon. It also contain 3 carbon. But here hydrogen, here how many? 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8. But here how many H? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. It means 1 H is less than the propane. That's why it is the propane. It is what here? It is called as the propyl. What here? Propyl. It means the what here? Propyl means the A and E are replaced by what here? YL, called as the propyl. What here? Propyl. ठीक है बेटा? It means if we change the alkane into alkyl or member of a alkane means methane, ethane, propane into member of the alkyl, methyl, ethyl, propyl. So we replace a 1H. Especially the what is alkyl group? The R is a symbol of alkyl group. So how the alkyl group is obtained or formed? So alkyl group are prepared when the replacement of 1H from the any member of alkane. So the compound is formed called as alkyl group. Depend upon the carbon. 1 carbon called as methyl, 2 carbon called ethyl, 3 carbon called as what here? Propyl. So the alkyl group have 2 types. First called straight chain alkyl group. So what is a straight chain alkyl group? So the straight chain alkyl group is obtained when the replacement of or remove of H from the terminal side or last side of the carbon of the member of alkane means propane. So it is called as a what here? The straight chain alkyl group. For example, we take the chart here. Alkane, first alkane is what here? So alkane, we take the molecular formula first here. So we take the CH4. We take the alkane here. How the alkane are changed into alkyl? Example देख रहे हैं हम. All the example of what here? So it is also the example of what here? Straight chain alkyl group. It is also the example of what here? Straight chain alkyl group. How to change the alkane into alkyl? Means with alkyl? Straight chain alkyl group or alkyl group. ठीक है बेटा? Alkane, first we take the MF called as molecular formula alkane. First member CH4, methane. It's a IUPAC name also what here? Methane. Clear? Next here, how to write a condensed formula? So same here, it is also the CH4, methane. Next here, third, IUPAC name of this alkyl group. So this methane means CH4R change into what here? So the condensed formula means what here? It means this methyl group. It's what alkyl group here. So this methyl group means CH4 methane group R replace a 1H. So this methane R change to which group here? So is R change into what here? Minus CH3. What here? Minus means single bond CH3. It is called as what here? Methyl. So methane change into methyl, alkane change into what here? Alkyl. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? रिकॉल किया. ठीक है? Then this CH3. So then CH3 is a name called as what here? So the IUPAC is what it called as methyl. It means alkane change into alkyl. So methane change into methyl. ठीक है बेटा? Next here, what is what here the symbol of the methyl? So it is called as abrogate. D silent abrogate name. So short form Me. This Me is called as a CH3 group. CH3 group what here? Short form of the methyl called as a Me. Me is a short form where full form is what here? Methyl. Okay. Next here, second. C2H6. What is this? It is the second member of the alkane. What is ethane? So the IUPAC is what here? Ethane. Clear beta? Next here, how to change the ethane to ethyl? So 1H replace. So what we get remaining? We get here CH3 single bond CH3. Or it's also right CH3 single bond CH2. Both are same beta. Clear? So it is what here? C2H6 ethane. Ethane is a member of alkane. How to change it to ethane into ethyl or alkane into alkyl? So this ethane contains 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. So it also contains 2 carbon, but 1 H replaced from the terminal carbon. सो इट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्ट्रेट चेन अल्किल ग्रुप। मैंने जो आपको डिफाइन बताया कि H जो है वो कहाँ से रिप्लेस होता है, लास्ट कार्बन कॉलेज टर्मिनल कार्बन से, तो क्या बनता है स्ट्रेट चेन अल्किल ग्रुप। देखो यहाँ पे H लॉस किया, यहाँ से लॉस किया, ठीक है, या तो यहाँ से लॉस किया, दोनों में कौन सा कार्बन है, बोथ कार्बन आर व्हाट हियर, टर्मिनल कार्बन। सो दिस मिथेन आर चेंज टू व्हाट हियर, मिथाइल। सो इथेन चेंज टू व्हाट हियर, सो इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर बेटा, इथाइल। And the symbol or abbreviate formula of the ethyl is E capital T small. It is ET called as what here? The symbol of ethyl. What here? Ethyl. Next here C3H8. It is called as the member of third member of the alkene called as what here? Propane. So IUPAC name is what here? Propane. How many carbon? Propane contains 3 carbon. So first we take CH2, second also we take CH2. And third we take the what here, CH3, or it is also write in the form of what here, CH2 by 2 single bond CH3। इसको ऐसा लिखो या बेटा इसको अपवर्ड करो, पहले CH3 लिखो बाद में CH2, ऐसा भी लिखिए चलेगा, बोथ आर सेम, इस तरीके से ये जो लिखा है ना पहले आपने वैसा। तो हाउ मेनी कार्बन, 3 कार्बन 8 हाइड्रोजन, इट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोपेन, बट हियर 3 कार्बन एंड 7 हाइड्रोजन, सो इट इज प्रोपेन आर चेंज टू व्हाट हियर, प्रोपाइल। It means one H replaced by the alkane, means member of the alkane, methane, ethane, propane. So the short form of the propyl, so we take the propyl PR, P capital, R small, short form of the propyl. ठीक है, next here we take the last example of this compound, so it is called as what here, butyl. So we take butyl here what here, C4H10, it is example of what here, the name of the compound called as what here, butane. So butane change into how many carbon, it is contain a CH2 by 3 CH3, how many carbon, 4 carbon, it contain how many H here, 10 hydrogen, here 9 hydrogen, it means 1 H replace from the member of the alkane butane, clear beta? So it is called as what here, butyl, 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 short form B capital U small, ठीक है, it is a short form of butyl. So in this way we converted the to convert the member of alkane into the alkyl, 1 H replace from the terminal carbon, लास्ट कार्बन से H रिप्लेस करना है आपको, कोई भी अल्केन के चेंज काय में करना है, मिथेन मिथाइल, ठीक है, इथेन इथाइल, प्रोपेन प्रोपाइल, ब्यूटेन ब्यूटाइल, ऐसे आपको 10 एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने घर पर कर सकते सॉल्व आप, सिंपल है, ठीक है। और शॉर्ट फॉर्म देना है उसके लास्ट वाला, पहले वर्ड आपको कैपिटल लेना है, लास्ट वाला मतलब फर्स्ट जो सिंबल है उसका कैपिटल, और जो सेकंड का जो उसका मतलब अल्फ़ाबेट है उसको शॉर्ट लेना है। प्रोपेन ब्यूटाइल, पेंटेन शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्या है, पेंटेन PE, पेंटेन, हेक्सेन HE शॉर्ट फॉर्म लेना आपको, हेक्सेन HE, हेप्टेन HE, ऑक्टेन OC, नोनेन NO, डिकेन D, इस तरीके से आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्म लेना है इसकी। तो इस तरीके से आपको जो है पूरे एग्जाम्पल 1 2 3 4 सॉल्व किया, आपको जो है द रिमेनिंग 6 एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करनी है ये पैटर्न में, और आपको बुक में अच्छे से उसकी नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है, ठीक है बेटा, सिंपल है। फिर आप क्या आएगा इसके बाद का, पेंटेन C5H, क्या आएगा बोलो, पेंटेन C5H12, फिर सॉल्व करना है इसको, यहाँ पेंटेन आएगा, यहाँ CH3/4 आ जाएगा, ये 3 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर पेंटाइल आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर शॉर्ट फॉर्म में PE कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर, PE कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर, पेंटाइल जो आने वाला है, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से हमने क्या देखा बेटा, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट द अल्किल ग्रुप इनटू हाउ टू कन्वर्ट द अल्केन इनटू अल्काइल। इट मीन्स अल्किल ग्रुप आल्सो हैव द 2 टाइप्स, straight chain alkyl group and branch chain alkyl group. Now we take the second here, branch chain alkyl group. What here? So we take the example next here, the branch chain alkyl group. What here? Branch chain alkyl group. So second, it is first types of alkyl group, straight chain. Now we take the second here, the branch chain alkyl group. So what is a branch chain alkyl group? So we take here number second point, branch chain what here, alkyl group. So what is a branch chain alkyl group? You know, alkyl group have two types, first straight chain, second branch chain. What is a branch chain alkyl group? So this branch chain alkyl group is defined as those alkyl group which is obtained by when replacement of any atom or hydrogen atom from the alkane and which carbon? It is a non-terminal carbon. It means what is the definition of branch chain alkyl group? It is defined as the replacement of H means hydrogen atom from the non-terminal carbon of alkane. It is called as the what here branch chain alkyl group. For example, देखो बेटा, for example CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. Clear? So in this atom, so we replace a one H from the with carbon. It is called as what here? These two carbon called as what here? TS. TS called as what here? Terminal carbon. What indicate is? It is called as what here? TS. It is called as what here? This carbon is called as non-terminal carbon. Non-terminal carbon. So we replace a one H from the non-terminal carbon. It is called as the what? It form the branch chain alkyl group. So यहाँ से अगर H लॉस किया तो आंसर क्या बनेगा इसका? We get a CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3 which have the bond. So this is called as example of what here? Branch chain alkyl group. Here H replaced by which group here? CH3. So यहाँ से H लॉस किया तो लॉस करें तो क्या बनेगा बेटा? It is how many carbon? 3 carbon. Propane are changed to what here? It is called as a propyl. What here बेटा? Propyl. And which propyl? So it is example of what here? अब यहाँ पे बेटा अगर H रिप्लेस हुआ तो यहाँ पर कोई भी ग्रुप अटैच कौन सा होगा? CH3 मिथाइल ग्रुप, इथाइल ग्रुप डिपेंड अपॉन द कार्बन. So one H replaced by the what here? Any non-terminal carbon by the any branch. Clear? So the what is the branch chain alkyl group? It is defined as the replacement of one H from the non-terminal carbon of a alkane by addition of any alkyl group as a form of branch called as the branch chain alkyl group. अब यहाँ पे अगर यहाँ CH3 अटैच होता है बेटा तो इसका नेम क्या आएगा? इसका नेम क्या आएगा बोलो बेटा? It is called as iso. How many carbon? 4 carbon. So it is called as isobutyl. It's a common name, isobutyl. ठीक है. Second example, CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3 single bond CH3. How many carbon? 3 carbons attached. So the 3 carbon of the compound, it is called as what here? So it is one H replaced from terminal carbon by any group. So it is called as what here? Tertiary. Short form TRT. What indicate here? TRT. Tertiary. How many carbon? 4 carbon. Tertiary butyl. What here? Indicate a tertiary. Tertiary is also right. Short form TER. This TER called what here? Symbol of what here? Short form of tertiary. TER. What here? Butyl. ठीक है. So in this way we write the how to write the what here? The types of alkyl group. First straight chain alkyl group. How to convert a second branch chain. अब यहाँ पे जो बेटा ये जो ग्रुप अटैच हो रहा है यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर यहाँ पे हमने CH3 दिस CH3 इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर दिस CH3 इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर द मेंबर व्हाट alkyl ग्रुप सब्स्टिट्यूएंट और व्हाट हियर साइड चेन. क्लियर? इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? इसे बोलेंगे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. ठीक है. और ब्रांच. ठीक है. सो इट इज़ अ ब्रांच और सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. क्या नाम देंगे इसको बेटा हम लोग? इसको भी क्या नाम देंगे? ब्रांच देंगे. ब्रांच या सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. ठीक है. तो हमने क्या देखा बेटा यहाँ पे? हमने देखा कि हाउ टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द ब्रांच इन व्हाट सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन. इससे पहले हमने स्टार्ट किया व्हाट इज alkyl ग्रुप. सो इट इज डिफाइंड एज द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ वन H फ्रॉम द अल्केन व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड एज द alkyl ग्रुप. यहाँ से R मतलब जनरल फार्मूला ऑफ alkyl ग्रुप हो जाएगा बेटा. यहाँ से अल्केन से H रिप्लेस किया तो चेंज क्या में होगा? अल्काइल में. मिथेन मिथाइल इथेन इथाइल डिपेंड अपॉन द. सो इट हैव टू टाइप्स. alkyl ग्रुप हैव टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट straight chain alkyl group and second branch chain alkyl group. What is straight chain alkyl group? So the straight chain alkyl group is obtained when the replacement of H from the terminal side of the carbon. यहाँ से लास्ट कार्बन से H लॉस किया तो क्या बनेगा? स्ट्रेट चेन अल्किल ग्रुप बनेगी। एग्जाम्पल सबका एक ही स्ट्रेट चेन की, अल्केन चेंज इनटू अल्काइल। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट ईयर ब्रांच चेन ग्रुप इज ऑब्टेन बाय व्हेन द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ H at a non-terminal side or middle side. The non-terminal side is also called as what? A middle side. यहाँ से अगर H लॉस किया और यहाँ पे कोई ब्रांच अटैच किया तो कौन सा कंपाउंड बनेगा? ब्रांच चेन अल्किल ग्रुप। ठीक है बेटा, इस तरह एग्जांपल लिखिए हमने, प्रोपेन चेंज इनटू व्हाट है? प्रोपाइल। So here this bond indicate what here? So this bond indicate any group attached CH3 C2H5. CH3 called as methyl, ethyl. It is a branch. So any carbon which contain a branch, one branch called as iso, two branch is called as neo. ठीक है, इस तरीके से हम लिख सकते हैं। तो ये आइसो है, उसके बाद में क्या है? ये टर्शरी है, 3 कार्बन अगर कार्बन पड़ जाए। ठीक है, इस तरीके से हमने देखा। अब इसके बाद का क्वेश्चन हमारा आएगा, हाउ टू राइट द IUPAC नेम ऑफ ब्रांच चेन अल्किल ग्रुप और व्हाट हियर हाइड्रोकार्बन। तो कैसे लिखते हैं? तो पहले आपको ये समझना जरूरी था कि भाई अल्केन चेंज अल्काइल में कैसे होता है। अल्केन सिंबल व्हाट हियर? सो अल्केन मेंबर ऑफ द अल्केन मीथेन एथेन प्रोपेन। अल्काइल सिंबल आर रिप्लेस बाय द डिपेंड अपॉन द कार्बन। 1 कार्बन मीथेन चेंज इनटू मिथाइल, 1 H इज लेस। CH4 मीन्स हाउ मेनी H? 4H, हियर 3H। इस तरीके से हम इसको चेंज करेंगे। ओके, सो आपको अच्छे से इसकी जो एग्जाम्पल रिमेनिंग है, यानी पेंटेन, हेक्सेन, हेप्टेन अप टू डिकेन, लास्ट जो 6 एग्जाम्पल है इसको सॉल्व करनी है बेटा आपको बुक में। ठीक है, इजी है ये पैटर्न में, और बाद में ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल आपकी बुक में दिए हुए हैं, उसको स्टडी करनी है। ठीक है, इसके बाद के लेक्चर में क्या देखेंगे? हाउ टू राइट द IUPAC नेम ऑफ द व्हाट? ब्रांच चेन अल्किल ग्रुप और हाइड्रोकार्बन। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।